Hey everyone! We all want our homes to look very nice and beautiful. But sometimes it doesn't match our budget to renovate it. But today I'm going to introduce you to the budget-friendly PVC panels which gives a modern and beautiful look to your home. These are available in a lot of beautiful designs. There are many benefits of these PVC panels, but I am going to tell you the main 5 reasons to say yes to these panels. These are available in multiple options of beautiful designs. These panels are lightweight and durable. These panels can last long without bending or wrapping. PVC wall and ceiling panels are made up of waterproof material which makes them highly resistant to water. These are very low in maintenance as it is very easy to clean them. Now have a look on some of these samples of these panels.